Talking story about Ilocano. What's up, everybody? Especially to you, my daughter Che. How's it? How's it? How's it? This is Zaldi. Welcome to the fifth session of Talking Story about Ilocano. This session is called Explore. Let's review what we learned from the last session. Introduction. I am Zaldi. Siak ni Zaldi. What is your name? Anya tinagan mo? What is name you? You know that. Please, maidawat? Or at the end, you put man. Need to be verb like please get it for me. Iya laan ak man. Known as a verbal predicate. Another example. Doble man. That means please repeat. And give it to me. Itid man. Okay, moving along. Mine. Kanyak is ti. Yours. Ti kukwam. Thank you. Agyamanak. You're welcome. Dios ti agninga. So, let me tell you something else. There's other ways to say you're welcome, but for now, just remember Dios ti agninga. All right? How are you? Kumusta ka? I am good. Nambyag ak. And like I said the last time, some people respond to, they say, how are you? And they say same thing, which is kastoy lata. Therefore, or okay then. Ngarud then. Beer. Cerveza. Sorry and excuse me. Dispensarem. Like. Kayat. No like. Diak kayat. Who? Sino? Why? Anan pai? Have. Ada. Don't have. A one. Or, like we talked about the last time, diak ada. So, here we are. The next part, explore. Let's keep paddling out to the first reef so we can get to the inside break. Let the exploration commence. Where? Sa Dino. Two, as in Too, like kind of also, met. You. Mo. And that's in the ending. So, kayat mo, that means you like. Kayat mo, or you all, in the ending, it's yo. So, like if it's in a group of people, kayat yo, that means like you all. So, if you're in a conference or whatever, you'll hear yo, but then when you're by yourself, you'll hear mo. Morning, bigat. Afternoon, malem. Evening, rabii. So I gotta just dip my toe right into this real quick. So when I say nambyag a bigat mo, that's how is your morning. Or nambyag a bigat yo, that means yo, how's your morning? But evening is tricky. It'll end with M. So instead of mo, it's nambyag arabiim. That's how's your evening. And if it's to a lot of people, it's na imbagrabi iyo. Okay? And the word and, the conjunction, can. So, now let's do some 2 times 9 and 9 times 2 times table. If you forgot what I mean, go back to session 1, the primer. But we're going to start doing a 2 times 9 and 9 times 2 table where we can start using some of the words and doing some fancy dancy. So, good morning. Nambyag nga bigat mo. Or good afternoon. Nambyag a malem mo. And afternoon. Nambyag a rabiim. So remember, the freaky one is the rabi'i. Okay? So, I can respond and add a little bit more. If they ask me, nambyag na bigat mo, I can respond with nambyag, which is good. And then I can go, nambyag nga bigat mo met, means, how is your morning also? Okay, two, or two also. Okay? So, where are you going? Is another word. Papanam. Let me say that again. Where are you going? Papanam. And here's a bonus. Some people like to say somewhere or like just there. Dita laing. Remember, laing is only. So, dita laing. Dita is over there and laing is only. Again, somewhere, you can say somewhere and say dita laing. Now back to exploring. Where did you come from? Napanam or nagapwam. Nagapwam. Let me slow down. Napanam is more like where did you go? Nagapwam is where did you come from, more so. So, napanam, where you went, and nagapwam, where you came from. Okay? There at Alamwana. So here's my response. Where did you come from? Nagapwam. Then I say there at Alamwana. Ijay, which is there. Ijay Alamwana. Here's another one. Here. Ditoy. Here. Ditoy. I'll see you. So some people like to say, like in Japanese, ja mata ashita or ja mata. That means to see you again. The way to say it in Ilocano is agkitataan to. Again, agkitatan to. I gotta say it again. Agkitatan to. That means I'll see you. Kita is see. Will ag tanto. Again, pretty much. Agkita tanto. Okay, here's another word. Wait. Aguray. Or you can say aguray ka. That means wait you. So, aguray. Wait. What did you say? Anya iti kunam. So, kunam is say or imbaga. So, I don't want to confuse you. So, there's what did you say? Remember the word kunam. And anya is what? So, you're saying what say? So, you can say, what did you say? Anya kunam? Again, what say? Anya kunam. Slowly, please. Inayadem man. So if I just wanted to say slowly, it would just be inayadem. And then I left out man. And you know what man is? It means please at the end of at the end of the phrase. So inayad means slow. Inayad them too slow, to slow down. And then man, please. Inayad them man. Slowly, please. Understand. Mawatam. Understand. Mawatam. So, how do you say I understand? Come on, you got this. Mawatem ak. Mawatem ak. Now, how do you say, do you understand? You got this. Mawatem ka. So, of course, you got to end it with a, your voice inflection. Mawatem ka. Okay. All right, here's the scenario. Let's go. Naimbyag abigat mo. That's okay. Let's just clear this up. Okay. Since thing is rolling, we're just talking story anyway. So it's gonna be two persons. Remember, it's a scenario. Person A. So I'm just gonna raise my voice a little bit just to pretend. Okay. Here we go. To differentiate. Okay. Naimbyag abigat mo. Naimbyag abigat mo met. Ada serbesa ijay. Awan ti serbesa ditoy. Manbakti ak ditoy itarabii. Kensika kastoy lata. Okay, let's break it down. Nambyag abigat mo. Okay, well, let me go put that higher voice on. Nambyag abigat mo. Is your morning good? How's your morning? Nambyag abigat mo met. So, how's your morning too? Then we go into a next sentence. Ada serbesa ijay. So have beer over there. And then awan ti serbesa ditoy. I do not have beer over here. Mangbati ak ditoy itarabii. I am staying mangbati. Ak, that means me. Ditoy here, itarabii. That means tonight. Mangbati ak ditoy itarabii. That means, I am staying here tonight. Kensika? That means, and you? And then the other person says, kastoy lata. Semo. As you can tell, Che, we are laying more and more from all the previous chapters. So if you're still struggling to remember, just go back to the previous sessions and keep repeating it until it is clear. Speaking of going back, let's go over last session vocab. And we'll do it again. I am Zaldi. Siak ni Zaldi. What is your name? Anya tinagan mo? Please? May dawat? Or, at the end of the sentence, man, the verbal predicate. Please repeat. Doble man. Give it to me. Itid man. Mine. Kanyak. Is. Ti. Yours. Ti kukwam. Thank you. Agyamanak. You're welcome. Diyos ti agnina. How are you? Kumusta ka? I am good. Naimbyag ak. So good, I. Same thing. Kastoy lata. Therefore, okay then is ngarod then beer, cerveza. Sorry, excuse me, dispensarem. Like, kayat, no like, jak kayat, who, sino, why, anan pay, have, ada, or don't have, awan, or jak ada. With that, we'll conclude session 5 Explore. Session 6 is called Curiosity. In Hawaii, you know what that is, yeah? They say Honiele. But in Ilocano, it's actually interested or excited about. And they use the word mag-ag-aranak. Mag-ag-aranak. Let me say it again. Magag-aranak. That's the next chapter. So we'll have time to go over that next chapter. So with that, Che, balasang ko, tumimansen. Until next time, alawen, Karen.